Title: The Thoughtful Slave and the Wise Master. Once upon a time, a nobleman had a loyal slave who worked tirelessly every day. One day, the slave approached his master and humbly requested a slight increase in his salary. The master, preoccupied with other matters, became annoyed and scolded him harshly, saying, "You should be grateful for what you have. I will not increase your pay." The slave quietly turned back and continued working without complaint. That night, as the master slept, he had a vivid dream. In the dream, he saw himself on the day of judgment. Standing before Allah, his deeds were being weighed. On one side were his good deeds, and on the other were his sins. The scale leaned heavily towards the side of sins. Just when it seemed he would be doomed, a shining coin was placed on the side of his good deeds. That single coin tipped the scale in his favor. He asked the angel, "What is this coin that saved me?" The angel replied, "This is the coin you gave to your slave as a salary increase. Even though it was small, it was accepted by Allah because it was given to someone in need, and it was a means of his comfort." The master awoke with a start, deeply affected by the dream. The next morning he called his slave and, with kindness and humility, not only increased his salary but also apologized for his earlier harshness. He realized that sometimes a small act of kindness, done for the sake of Allah, can lead to immense rewards in the hereafter.